Welcome to my channel today. Today, I am here to discuss how you can start profitably electronic shop business this 2024 or beyond and beyond. For being on this channel, I know, or with this video, I know you are a tech enthusiast. You want to be your boss of your own. You need cash flow via selling electronics. If that be the case, you are welcome once more because I will navigate you through the essential steps from conceptualization to a launch of a successful electronic shop. I want to I want you to avoid a particular mistake I did when I was moving into entrepreneurship world. I was looking for a magic button. I was looking for a magic wand. I was looking here and there for something I will just do, and boom, here comes the money. There's nothing like that. There are a set of business principles you must follow to succeed as a business person. So what am I trying to pass here? Be diligent with the information you have. Don't jump from one another. Ensure you exhaust all the information within your power then and put to practice whatever you are learning before moving to another distance. So if you're watching me, be diligent as I said. I have the set of principles that will guide you in this business. Please subscribe, share, be part of my team, and click on the subscription notification button so that other good videos like this will be coming your way. The first step to do is that you have to plan on a particular niche. Electronics, as the name sounds, is a very big field. So you should start thinking of narrowing down mobile phones, house smart appliances, TVs, wearables. All these things are part of electronics. So to be successful, you should start thinking of narrowing down now. You should start thinking of picking a niche. So in a nutshell, you have to pick a niche. Now, what will the niche do? The niche will help you know your market target, the demographic. Who are you targeting? The tech enthusiasts, families, everyday consumers, gamers, if you are going into game as electronics. So once you narrow down, then you do, that determines your market targets. Now, after that, the next thing to do, but before I go further, let me give you experience or let me give you pro tip. Try and specialize in the wearables or smart home devices. These things are evergreen and they will always sell. If you enjoy this pro tip, please subscribe, comment. Now, after that, if you are picking a niche, what do? You do a market research. A market research validates that niche. What is the selling point? What is the market value? It is there online for you to validate. After validating that, you create a powerful business plan, which is a roadmap to your success. In your business plan, you must include your unique selling points. Why would someone live where he has been buying? Or why would somebody say, if not your shop, I will not buy? Now, how to come about it, unique selling point is studying your competitors. In that case, you cooperate with your competitors. Look for the gaps in that business. We call it market gaps and fill it in your own shop. Is it pricing? Is it exceptional customer service? You should choose what is lacking in other fields, then and inculcate it into your own business. That is how you develop your unique selling proposition. Remember, a business plan has projection, financial projections, startup costs, operational expenses, revenue stream. All these things will be included in your business plan. But I want you to understand something. You are not going to use this business plan now, but you need it. Write a comprehensive one or pay for someone to write for you. After that, the next step is you must get a model, a business model. You must get someone who is in that business to mentor you, not verbally, if not sorry, not online. You can look around your location, your country, your vicinity. Who is into this business that is successful? How can I be mentored by that person? You need mentor. That's business model. Someone who you will model. You can succeed without it, but having a model or a mentor cuts your learning curve by 60% or 70%. It makes it easier for you. One thing there is that mentors are very expensive and they don't have time. However, with the secret found in the book, The Power of Focus by Jack Canfield, page 139, I've had several busy people as mentor, businessmen as mentor. So get that book for yourself. Go to page 139. You will definitely get someone who will model you in this business physically. After doing that, you have been modeled. You have your business plan. You have chosen your niche. You've known your market. Then you build a business structure, a legal business structure. How do you do that? Get a business lawyer or accountant, the business lawyer preferably, to register your business, either LLC. In fact, it should be LLC because that's what you need to register. Know the logo permits, the licenses, the tax requirement of electronic business shop within your vicinity. When your business starts growing, you can get a corporation. But as a beginner, get yourself those legal requirements that will allow your business to flow. Please, if you're enjoying my course or if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe, share in the comment section what the problem has been in your journey to establish your business. Click the notification button so that other good videos will be coming your ways. Haven't done that, this is time to get funding. Now, funding, that is where if you don't have personal savings or enough savings, investors will come. That is where that business plan comes into play. You use your business plan to approach commercial banks, individuals that may want to invest, credit union, all this is, or we have online platforms for crowdfunding. So pitch competitions. Now you see that with the business plan, you see where it comes into play. You can look for funding. After getting your business plan or funding, the next thing is where to locate your business. If you want to run a successful electronic business shop, you must think of having two locations, offline and online. The online entails having an e-commerce shop, having a presence on the social media where they discuss of electronics. That is the online presence. Now, the offline presence is that you must look for a location where there is high foot traffic for visibility and where we have complementary businesses. Yes, you look for where to situate your business. It should be close to where we have people like that sells, like if you're into smartphones, people that sells MP3 musical instruments. We want to buy because you can pair the two to have a louder music output. So foot traffic, accessibility. You have to look at where even the deformed or disabled can access your business. Where there will be easy car park. These are factors to consider when locating your electronic shop business. Then we talk of aesthetics in this business. Your store layout is a key. Product display. Showcase popular items, prominently. Utilize clear signage on your shop, in your shop. Consider interactive displays for customers to experience products. So your shop should be welcoming. You should learn designing of your shop because electronics requires proper display. Now, running the business proper, you need an inventory management software to avoid running out of stock or short of stock. Some of the inventory software I use is Zoho Inventory or NetSuite. It's very essential. Customers don't like to come and say you don't have what they want. Please, if you're enjoying my video, subscribe, share, comment, be part of my growing channel so that we'll grow together. Now, at this stage, how do you want to run your business? Do you want to run it alone or do you need a team? As a beginner, you need one or two or three people as a team. Now, these are the criteria you have to consider. You should get a tech-savvy team. A tech-savvy, not every other person, but a tech-savvy. Or if you have people that are not tech-savvy, you train them so that your customers will have first-hand experience from your team. Though most electronics come with users manual, but they prefer someone who will assist them in how to set it, in troubleshooting minor issues, providing clear explanations, offering help at any stage of purchase. This is exactly the kind of team you need. So you should make sure people that you have are people who can relate with customers technically. So that's why you need tech savvy team. Haven't done that. This is time to market your shop. This is time to market your electronic business. How do you do? I said online, you develop user-friendly websites, social media, local marketing, word of mouth, flyers, the radios, sponsoring local events while showcasing your company or your business name. So you have to market it. It is a very competitive niche, so it needs marketing. Make your website very simple for easy ordering. Check your competitors what they are doing to market online. Remember, every business becomes rich based on repeated customers. So you must build customer loyalty or long-time success from the customers. Offer sales after sales service. Ensure you have the product knowledge of what you are selling so that your customers will live with great memory. Yes, you must customer retention. Train your team to actively listen to customers, understand their needs, and recommend the best product to solve their problem. Customer service is the key. Customer service is all you need to have a customer retention in your business. Haven't done that. Make sure you have a clear communication between you, the customers, and your employees or your team. Yes, ensure you exceed customers' expectations in all ramifications. Now, one thing you will not fail, electronics comes with a lot of challenges. So you have to make it clear, develop a clear and customer-friendly refund policy or returns and exchange to build trust while refunding. So all these things should be part of the business training you will give to your team so that buyer will know at what condition do I get back my money when this did not work. Embrace technology. This is the next thing you have to do. Make things seamless for your customers. Have POS system. I've mentioned inventory management softwares, customer relationship management tools. All these things must be in place to have a smooth and successful business, electronic shop business 2024 and beyond. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, click the notification button if you are enjoying what I'm doing here. Now, remember, electronics is dynamic, is ever evolving niche. So, how do you stay relevant, not to be left behind? Keep up with emerging technologies. Yes, stay updated on the latest tech trends such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the Internet of a Thing. So all these things you have to be ahead. It will help you to continually refine your product selection. Yes, adapt inventory to include new and in-demand tech products as they emerge. Embrace learning, regular training of your staff. With this, you are on the verge of not even starting and running a successful electronic business. You are on the verge of growing a very complex company. That's corporation. Remember, customers. All you are learning is to have customers and customers always. So you must build a loyal customer base. Create a welcoming environment. Make your store a destination for tech enthusiasts. Offer comfortable sitting areas, product demos, or host workshops to create a community around your store. Create loyalty programs. Reward repeat customers with loyalty programs that offer discounts, points, or exclusive offers. With this, you have built and have a perfect customer retention program. Embrace feedback. Yes, that's paramount. Customer feedback. What always keep a system where you listen to them, know what they want to do. Conduct surveys, online reviews about your business, social media interactions, analyze their feedback and use it to identify area for improvement. Now, performance metrics. You must track key metrics like sales figures, website traffic, and customer satisfaction. These things will make you understand what is working and what is not working. And with that, you discard what doesn't work and use what works. Competitor analysis. Keep eyes on your competitors. See what they are doing and identify opportunities in doing different things entirely. My candid advice to anyone that is going into business, please, before you hear this, click that notification button. Subscribe. Let me see your subscription number. Now, my candid advice for anyone going into business is that you should not be emotionally attached to that business because no matter how prepared you are, no matter how you've learned on starting this business, there will be challenges. You will hit bottom rock at some times. They are natural. So you must ensure that you work towards being successful at ease. Thank you for watching.